Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for loving and supporting me. Thank you guys. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you what I found out. If you eat apple like I do, or you feed your kids apple, or you know your loved one, any of your loved ones who eats apple, you have to watch this video. I'm gonna show you something that I really want you to know. I mean, we believe that apple is a very healthy fruit. Of course it is, but what happens when the very thing that is supposed to be nourishing to your body brings you disease? What happens? I mean, these days we see cases of cancer growing at a very rapid space, and all that boils down to what we put in our body. Remember those days when I used to follow my grandmother to the farm? We planted our own vegetables. We never used any sort of chemical or preservative to grow our plants. But these days, I mean, it's crazy what they put in food, and then we go to the store, we grab it and eat without even knowing what we're putting in our bodies. Back home, even the fruits that we have in my dad's house, the ones that we grew, they are all organic. No preservative, no chemical, nothing, just pure organic. You can't trust that these days, especially at the store. You go to store, you see all these beautiful fruits. Boy, you don't know what they put in there. So we have to be very careful. So today I'm going to show you what I found out. I want you to know this too. I feel that it's important that I share it with you so that you know what is going on and you know what you put in your body anytime you buy apple, okay? Or you can equally watch out for this. Make sure you share this video with your friends and loved ones and let them know too, okay, what you found out. Thank you for watching. Let me show you what I'm talking about, okay? So here are some of the apples that I bought from the store. This is what I have at home. You see how beautiful they look? Yes, this is how they look when you buy them. Very beautiful, but you don't know what is on it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Can you even imagine all this wax that is coming from this apple? Can you imagine all this wax? Just look at this. Look at this. And then this is what we eat. I mean, this is what you put in your body. Look at this. Look at all this wax. Look at what they coat the apple with. Just imagine this. Look at what we put in our bodies. Do you see how shiny this apple looks? The coated wax is the reason why this apple is so shiny. Organic apples are not very shiny like this. So it's because of the wax. That's why it's very shiny like this. So when you go to the store and see it like this, so shiny and beautiful, just know that it is coated with wax. And I'm going to show you what I do before I eat my apple. So keep watching. So you can see that I completely got rid of the wax by peeling it off before eating it. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please share with your friends and family.